Our friend brought us to one of the best places Antique has to offer, Tibiao Bakery, a place where history, tradition, and great flavors come together. Let's take a bite into the rich history of food and taste. Hello guys, for today's video, I'll bring you back to June 2024 when we had our Boracay vacation. And after 3 days of Boracay escapade, our Antiqueño co-teacher invited us for a lunch sa kanilang bahay sa Antique. So from Aklan, we went all the way to Antique for lunch. We enjoyed the trip and of course we enjoyed the food. Ang lahat ay nabusog sa tinola at adobong native chicken, inihaw na isda, mangga, at fresh buko juice. After that, he brought us to one of Antique's pride, Tibiao Bakery. Sa sasakyan pa lamang ay bukang bibig na niya ang Tibiao Bakery. Tibiao Bakery has been a part of Antiqueños' lives since 1953. For more than 70 years, Antiqueños enjoy freshly baked bread cooked from pugon. A pugon which was constructed in 1955. Ang bizcocho, otap at pandesal ay ilan lamang sa kanilang bestseller. And in 1982, Tibiao Bakery expanded its operation in Iloilo City. Have you been to Tibiao Bakery? What's your favorite tweet from their selection? Share your thoughts in the comments. This is Rain's Chronicle. Until next time, bye!